Hello everyone, my name is Jessica Ricketts and I am a Facebook advertising expert based here in Brisbane, and I'm going to take you through some of the Facebook business basics that every service-based or brick or mortar business advertising their products and services to the local community should have set up. So firstly, who is this Jessica chick? I'm born and bred in Brisbane. I have 2 children and I work from home, and I'm really passionate about helping local business owners promote their products and services to the local community using the power of Facebook ads. And there are a few ways I can help you. I have an online course, I mentor people one-on-one, or for selected businesses I run Facebook ads and Facebook marketing for them. Prior to starting my business in 2017, I was the real estate marketing manager for a local real estate agency in Brisbane. And I did everything for these guys. I did their website, their social media, their SEO, their flyers, ran their events, anything that was involved with promoting the local business to the community, I had my finger in. And like most of us, we can't be experts in everything, so we relied heavily on contractors to help us with managing our website, running our SEO. At the time, we did Google ads and things like that. And I learned a very valuable lesson here, because $50,000 and 9-10 months later, from using a contractor, I realized that we were having the wool pulled over our eyes because we weren't seeing the results we were promised through our investment with these people. And it wasn't until I really dug around to try and understand what they were doing for us that I soon realized that they weren't on our side, and we were literally just wasting our money down the toilet. So if you can take anything away from this training session, it's to learn a little about a lot in the Facebook advertising and digital marketing world, so that you can't get taken advantage of like I was. And look, it's unlikely that you will go through life running a business without losing some money, but it's how much and how long you allow that to happen. And by educating yourself with a little bit around digital marketing, it allows you to shorten the amount of time and shorten the investment when relying on contractors, because you will pick up a lot sooner than I did about whether they are a good fit for your business or not. Prior to working in real estate, I've always held events and marketing type roles for the not-for-profit industry, the IT industry, and higher education. While working at the real estate agency, I just sort of fell in love with running Facebook ads, fell in love with the numbers. I'm a bit of a self-professed data nerd, to be honest. And so much so, which was the driving force into starting my own business, JR Media. And since then, I've also acquired the Facebook certification. I am a Facebook Blueprint certified buyer, which means I've taken all the exams and I have a deep understanding of the Facebook policies and Facebook strategies that work best for businesses when advertising on the platform. There is a heavy investment to get this little pretty badge, and it's something I have to renew every year because Facebook changes every single year, every single month, and sometimes every single day. So it's not something I take lightly, and I really do take advertising on Facebook really seriously, and it's something I'm passionate about sharing my knowledge with local business owners. But enough about me. I'm just going to answer a burning question that I get asked almost every single day, and that is, Jess, is Facebook dying? Well, I had a look at these statistics and they are accurate as of December 2019, and it told me that 60% of Australia's population is still active on Facebook. And as you can see by the graph here, the largest chunk is with people 25 years and older. And you can see there's quite a significant drop with people 25 years and younger. So the younger people, yes, Facebook may be dying, but they've just moved on to other social platforms like Instagram or WhatsApp. And guess what? Both of those are owned by Facebook as well. And the older people, you know, the 40s plus, well, these are the parents of the younger children who have now left Facebook. The parents jumped onto Facebook to see what their kids and their grandkids were up to, and that's why the young'uns have bounced and the parents have remained. So if your ideal client is 25 years or older, Facebook is still alive and well. In fact, 1 in every 2 people are on Facebook every single day. And you can visit this website to get further statistics. 6 in 10 Australians use Facebook. 1 in 2 use Facebook every single day, like I just described. 1 in 2 use YouTube. 1 in 3 use Instagram, and 1 in 4 use Snapchat. You don't need to be on every single social media platform. Just like an overly curious parent, you just need to be on the platform where your ideal client is. So if your ideal client is on Facebook, your business needs to be on Facebook. But if they're not on Instagram, don't bother about being on Instagram. Just do a really good job on the platforms where your ideal client lives. Now, Facebook can do many things. It can help you to increase the number of people visiting your website. It can increase awareness of your business to the people living near you, and it can help you build trust with current and future customers, and it also increases the inquiries into your business. But all of that will mean nothing. Let me just go back one. All of that will mean nothing if you as a business do not have systems in place to follow up these inquiries. So if someone reaches out to you via your Facebook page and sends your business a direct message, how quickly are you following up? If someone shares your post or comments on your business post, are you replying back to them and thanking them or asking them an open-ended question? How engaging are you with people on Facebook, and how quickly are you following the leads that come into your business? That's really important because Facebook can't grow your business for you. It can only aid into sending you inquiries. The rest is up to you. And because Facebook has all the eyeballs, and Facebook is a business just like you and I, we need to pay for the privilege to show our Facebook posts to our ideal clients. So if you're posting without investing some money behind your Facebook posts, it's likely that only 5% of your Facebook page followers actually see the Facebook posts that you post. And I'm telling you now, it'll be the same people every time. So you've gone to all this effort to create some great content for your Facebook page, but the same people are going to see it every single time. I know for a fact every week I release a weekly Facebook marketing tip on my Facebook page, and if I don't put any money behind that video, I'll know for a fact that about 50 people out of my 500 plus followers will see that post, and already I know a huge handful of who's going to see it. It's going to be my mum, my dad, my sister, a couple of friends who are really supportive of my business, and a few hard and loyal fans that follow my business all the time. These people regularly engage with my Facebook posts, so Facebook is going to continue showing these people my Facebook posts. It's the new people that won't see my Facebook posts unless I invest a little bit of money. So it's about 5% of the people will see your Facebook posts for free. So what is the difference between a boosted post and a sponsored post? Well, a boosted post is when you create a post on your Facebook page and a little blue button appears that says Boost Post. You click that little boost button, you enter a few details, and Facebook makes it really easy for you to spend money with them. A sponsored post is done through Facebook Ads Manager, and this is the console where professional advertisers and small business owners who take the time to learn how to use it create their Facebook ads. Now, if you're going to spend money by the boosted post or spend money creating ads through Ads Manager, in theory, they both should cost you exactly the same. The difference is when you use Ads Manager to create your sponsored posts, how your ads look, who sees your ads, and where your ads are seen, you have a lot more flexibility around these variables, whereas with the boosted post, it's the light version of Ads Manager, so the options that Facebook presents to you are a lot less. And so local businesses often come with me saying, Facebook ads don't work for me, I've tried them, I don't know what I'm doing, yada, yada, yada. The first thing we need to do is just sort of change our goals around why we're advertising on Facebook. So here is an example. We had a local daycare center. It was going to be brand new. They were building from the ground up, so they literally had no customers, no inquiries, nothing. So the goals for them on Facebook was to make the local community aware that this building was being erected and that they'll be open for enrollments really, really soon. So that they had two goals: to increase inquiries and also to make the customers aware. So we did this through video walkthroughs of the center and by also encouraging people to visit the website. By the time the childcare center opened its doors, it was already 80% full before any child had walked in through the door. All thanks, a lot of thanks to Facebook and Facebook advertising, and also to having a really great mobile-friendly website. This is a local real estate agency, and their goals are a little different as well. So real estate, they want to increase their local awareness, they want to list and sell and rent property, and they also want to build trust amongst the local community. It's not every day that a homeowner will make a snap decision on who sells their home. It's actually quite a long process, and before a real estate agent is appointed, generally the owners of the home need to feel that they are being nurtured and they trust their agent. So it is a long game when advertising real estate agents on Facebook, because we need to build that know, like, trust factor. Which brings me to the secret formula to success on Facebook and Instagram and most social media platforms. When you create interesting content paired up with targeted paid advertising done properly, multiplied by consistency and time, what you're building is an audience of people who are interested in your business. And as you nurture this audience, you grow it and you provide them with more interesting content. What you're doing is you're building that know, like, trust factor. And when you have that know, like, trust factor, you get more calls, you get more inquiries, and you get more clients. It's just the very basics around most marketing strategies. And it works for Facebook and Instagram. So I guess you're thinking, where do I start? Well, we start with our Facebook pages. Imagine for a second that your Facebook page is a physical brick and mortar business, and posts on your Facebook page are products on your shelves. Is your Facebook page new, shiny, and exciting, or is your Facebook page looking like this abandoned candy store? Would someone want to walk into a business that looks like this? Or would you want to walk into a business that looks like this? Your Facebook page is your online digital window to your business. And more people are looking at your website, are looking at your Facebook page before they even make contact with you. So it's really important that you have a shiny candy store and not an abandoned, broken down candy store. There are a couple of key elements on your Facebook page that I highly recommend you all take a closer look at and make sure you're taking full advantage of all the free services Facebook has to offer local businesses. The first is to have a look at your Facebook page template. Then take a look at your profile and cover images. Do they fit nicely in the spaces provided? Now, your About section on your Facebook page is probably one of the most unutilized sections of a Facebook page for most businesses. Take the time to go through all the fields and add your website, add your phone number, fill out your About section. The other thing to have a look at is to edit and enable your tabs. Now, your tabs are the option menu that you have on the left-hand side of your Facebook page. There is an option to enable services on your Facebook page, which means if you have products or services, you could list them here directly on your Facebook page and link directly to your website. And finally, your call to action button, which is the box available for you to either have someone visit your website, call your business, or message your Facebook page. They're really important sections to all have set up. I offer a free Facebook page tutorial which covers the how to edit and update all of these sections. It's 100% free, and I take you through screenshots and step-by-step how to update your Facebook page so that you aren't an abandoned warehouse or an abandoned candy store. You are a bright, shiny candy store. So all you need to do to get access to that tutorial is visit my website. It's called jrmedia.com.au. The very first button you'll see will ask you to sign up. It's a 3-part video series that you get emailed once a day over 3 days. But if you really want to binge, you can get through my whole tutorial in about half an hour. If you have any questions, please send me a message via my Facebook page, JR Media Services, or shoot me an email at jessica@jrmedia.com.au, and I'd love to help you further. Thank you.